Hello everyone, this is Katie of 3Mind Software, and today I'm going to quickly go over themes and presets. Presets are saved property settings, and themes are collections of presets. So this is the preset window over here. You can choose what theme is being shown with this drop-down, like this. And here is shown all of the themes for whatever tool or item type you're currently on. So since I don't have anything selected, it's showing me the canvas presets. If I go and select something like this region, it'll show me all of the presets in this theme for the region item. If I go down here to the landmass tool, it'll switch to the landmass presets. And to use one of these presets, you simply click on it, and now it has set the properties for the landmass tool to that preset. So the next landmass that I place will now have the properties of that preset. If I want to change an existing item, simply go to a selection tool and select the item and click on that preset. And it'll change the properties of that item to whatever the preset is. In order to make your own preset, you just need to go to the properties window and change the properties to however you like. I already did that for this landmass here to match this volcano, and hit this Save Preset button. When I do, it'll bring up a little window asking you what theme you want to save it to, or if you you can click on this button and create a new theme to save it to, and then you just name your preset and hit OK. So now there is a new landmass preset in the soft color theme, and I can go down to any of these other land masses and change them to match it. Just like that. If you want to organize any of these presets without changing whatever you're on, then you can simply go here and hit this little apply check, and then when you go and select one of the presets, it won't change the properties of whatever you have selected. So I could go to this and move it to a different theme, and it'll be moved, and I won't have changed anything down here. Just remember when you want to use stuff again to recheck the apply button. This is really nice when you want to, like I just did, move a theme or move a preset to a different theme, or if you want to bookmark something. Bookmarked themes will show up in this over here. So I bookmark this. Now it'll show up over here, and doesn't matter what theme I'm currently on, it'll still show up. Recent is just the themes you've recently used for whatever item type you're on, and recent and bookmarked presets will only last until you close the program. Lastly, if you want to change the look of your entire map really quickly, you can go up here to Map, Setup, and change the overall theme of your map. So if I change this to soft color, you can see this preview has every item in all these different tabs. So you can see how everything will look before you continue. When you hit OK, it'll ask you if you want to apply this to all existing items. If you hit yes, it will apply the first preset of that theme to every item on your map. If you hit no, then it will only change the tool properties. So I'll hit yes, and it's applied it to everything on my map. As you can see, it also changed my landmass here, but since I already saved it, I can just reapply it. And that's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye.